If you think life can't get any tougher than being stranded at sea, then think again. Because in the deserts around the world, a different kind of struggle for survival unfolds each and every day. Here, creatures face extremes of temperature and dehydration that would make anyone's lips crack and head spin. But instead of wilting under this unforgiving sun, they've defied Mother Nature's most brutal challenges and not only survived, but thrived. Welcome to our channel, and today we're answering the extraordinary question, what secrets do deserts hold? Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the astonishing ways the world's toughest creatures conquer the driest, hottest places on Earth. From kangaroo rats that dance with death to cacti that turn up their noses at water, these stories will leave you thirsty for more. So grab a glass of water, sit back, and prepare to dive into the heart of the desert, where danger lurks around every dune and life is a gamble against the odds. Beyond the dunes, the desert, a vast expanse of golden dunes and rugged landscapes that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's a place where the relentless sun beats down on a cracked earth, and where water is as precious as gold. Life seems almost impossible in this seemingly barren wasteland. Yet hidden amongst the shifting sands and the prickly cacti, there exists a world teeming with life. From the tiny kangaroo rat to the majestic Adaptations antelope, the desert is home to a surprising array of creatures that have evolved to not only survive, but flourish in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Ingenious water warriors. In this arid domain, every drop of water tells a story of resilience and adaptation. Take, for instance, the kangaroo rat, a small rodent that rules the desert with its remarkable ability to survive without ever drinking water. They achieve this feat by consuming dry seeds and extracting the precious liquid within. But their trick doesn't end there. Their bodies possess a unique ability to produce metabolic water from the very air they breathe, allowing them to survive in a world where water is scarce. The fennec fox, with its oversized ears, is another champion of desert survival. These furry appendages serve as radiators, helping the fox to dissipate excess heat and maintain a healthy body temperature. When the sun's rays beat down on the desert, the fennec fox retreats to the cool depths of its underground burrow, emerging only when the scorching heat subsides. The saguaro cactus, a true icon of the desert, stands as a testament to resilience. Its ribbed structure allows it to expand its skin several times larger without tearing, helping it to store vital moisture. Its shallow root system enables it to absorb water rapidly from infrequent rains, while its waxy skin prevents moisture loss through evaporation. Thermal tightens. But life in the desert is not just about enduring scorching temperatures. It's also about navigating the dramatic swings between day and night when temperatures plummet and the risk of hypothermia looms. The desert tortoise, a creature of habit, has found a unique solution to this problem. It spends its days in the safety of its underground burrow, venturing out only at night to search for food. During extreme weather events, they can burrow deep underground, creating a microclimate bubble where they can withstand both intense heat and freezing cold. If the heat becomes unbearable, they enter a state called estivation, which is similar to hibernation and allows them to survive long periods of drought. The Adaptations antelope, with its light-colored coat, reflects the sun's rays, helping it to stay cool in the blistering heat. Specialized kidney function allows them to produce highly concentrated urine, reducing water loss. Adaptations antelopes often gather in groups, and their herding behavior helps them survive. By huddling together, they can share body heat and face away from each other to reduce direct sunlight exposure. The Nile monitor lizard, with its prehistoric appearance, is perfectly adapted to thrive in the desert's unforgiving heat. This sun worshipper spends its days basking in the warm rays, soaking up the vital heat needed to power its metabolism. However, the Nile monitor lizard is no fool. It avoids the harsh midday sun and prefers to forage for prey in the cooler parts of the day when the temperature is more bearable. While the majority of lizards are primarily active during the day, This nocturnal hunter is cunning enough to wait until dusk or dawn when temperatures are milder. To quench its thirst, it takes advantage of every opportunity, lapping up water from any available source, making the most of this precious resource in its arid environment. Predator-prey paragons. In the unforgiving terrain of the desert, predators and prey engage in an eternal battle of survival, each species evolving ingenious strategies to outwit the other. The sidewinder rattlesnake, a master of its domain, has developed a unique form of locomotion that allows it to traverse the shifting sands with ease. This distinctive side-to-side motion not only helps it to conserve energy, but also makes it virtually invisible to potential prey. As an ambush predator, the sidewinder relies on its ability to strike with lightning speed, injecting its prey with a potent cocktail of venom that immobilizes them in moments. And while all rattlesnakes have hollow fangs and venom, sidewinders have evolved specialized venom that acts as a potent anticoagulant, ensuring that their prey remains liquid enough to be easily ingested. Then there's the scorpion, a nocturnal hunter that emerges under the cover of darkness to seek out its prey. Its tough exoskeleton protects it from the abrasive desert sand, and its specialized sting ensures that any unsuspecting insect or small animal that crosses its path becomes its next meal. The scorpion's ability to thrive in such a harsh environment makes it a true paragon of the desert, showcasing the adaptability and tenacity of life in the face of all odds. And let's not forget the camel spider, also known as the solifugid. These arachnids are known for their incredible speed, capable of running up to 10 miles per hour and jumping over 5 feet in a single leap. Their powerful chelicerae, or mouth parts, allow them to inject toxins into their prey, paralyzing them in mere seconds. Camel spiders are aggressive hunters, attacking anything that enters their territory and leaving no prey behind. Unveiling the secrets. Exploring the desert's secrets has unveiled a world where life finds a way to not only survive, but flourish in the face of adversity. From the tiniest microorganism to the largest mammal, each creature plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this fragile ecosystem. The desert, once thought of as a barren wasteland, is now revealed as a treasure trove of biodiversity and resilience. But the future of these resilient creatures hangs in the balance as climate change threatens to disrupt the delicate equilibrium of their world. Rising temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and increased frequency of droughts pose significant challenges to the survival of these uniquely adapted species. The fragile desert ecosystem is already feeling the strain of these changes, with some species struggling to adapt to the rapid pace of environmental shifts. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect the remaining habitat of these magnificent creatures. By safeguarding critical desert ecosystems, we can ensure that future generations have the opportunity to marvel at the resilience of life in the harshest environments on Earth. The study of desert life continues to captivate scientists and researchers who are constantly uncovering new and fascinating insights into the adaptations and behaviors of these remarkable creatures. From the microscopic to the macroscopic, each discovery adds to our understanding of the intricate web of life that thrives in the desert. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the desert, we are inspired by the tenacity and adaptability of life in the face of all odds. These creatures remind us that no matter how harsh the environment, life always finds a way to not only survive, but to thrive. Their resilience is a testament to the power of evolution and a source of wonder and inspiration to all who study them. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What was the most mind-blowing desert fact for you? Share your thoughts below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more captivating journeys into the wild world around us. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.